In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an access token for Dropbox. This is a key step when you're connecting Dropbox to another service or building an app that needs permission to read or write files in your account. I'll guide you through the process clearly, explain what each choice means, and share a few practical tips to keep everything secure. Start by going to the Dropbox developer page at dropbox.com/developers. This is the central place for creating apps and managing integrations. Once you're on the developer dashboard, look for the Create App button and click it. This begins the setup for a new Dropbox application, which is what will generate your token. You'll first be asked to select an API. Choose Scoped Access. This option lets you control exactly what your app can do, which is helpful for keeping permissions tight and protecting your data. Think of Scoped Access as giving your app only the keys it truly needs. Next, choose the level of access. You'll see two choices: App Folder or Full Dropbox. App Folder limits your app to a single dedicated folder, which is the safer default for most situations and makes it easier to contain what the app can see. Full Dropbox gives your app access across your entire account. Only pick Full Dropbox if your app genuinely needs to work with files everywhere. Otherwise, stick with App Folder for better safety. Now enter a name for your app. This is just a label to help you identify it later, so pick something descriptive that reflects its purpose. When you're ready, click Create App to continue. After the app is created, you'll land on its settings page. There are many options here, but you only need one for now. Scroll down until you find the section titled Generated Access Token. This is where you'll create the token that lets your app talk to Dropbox's API on your behalf. Click Generate. Dropbox will immediately create an access token. Copy it and store it somewhere secure. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't commit it to code repositories, and keep it in a safe place such as an environment variable or a trusted secrets manager. If you ever believe it's been exposed, you can return to this settings page to generate a new token and update your app. That's it. You've created your Dropbox access token and you're ready to use it when connecting your application to Dropbox. Keep it secure, use only the permissions you need, and you'll be set up for safe, reliable integrations. Thanks for watching and happy developing.